Hello, my friends, and welcome again to Best Book Reviews by Kathy Weaver. I network a lot virtually now, and when I was at a networking event for a wellness journey, it was obviously that everyone there was into alternative health procedures, systems. And as soon as I participated, shall we say, told everyone what I do. I am a Kangen water rep. They felt that it would be impactful for me to get this book. So I did. And it's called The Alkaline Cure. And this is by Dr. Stephan Domenig. I'm not sure how to say it, but it's Dr. Stephan Domenig. And that's what we're going to call him for right now. But the Alkaline Cure, it says lose weight, gain energy, and feel young. Those are some pretty big claims, shall we say. So I never take it lightly when someone recommends a book to me. And again, I was at a networking event. We were talking about healing, wellness journeys, things like that. What do you do? What do you do? What do you do? And I said, I'm a Kangen water rep. And that's what prompted the recommendation. So again, I never take these things lightly. I feel that you will enjoy this book specifically because Dr. Stephan actually talks about acid versus alkaline. He actually talks about different ways to cook. And that's a biggie for me because that's not my favorite thing to do. And what to cook. And he has days and diets and numbers and acid food groups. One topic is preparing to go alkaline, the acid food group. Some of the things that we need, we're probably not going to give up everything that's necessarily not good for us, but some foods are alkaline forming. And so he actually makes a list of that. And this is called the 14-Day Alkaline Cure. And I wanted you to be able to see that as well, because Dr. Stephan really does, he puts it in ways that we can understand it and we can actually utilize it. If you follow this, bam, 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 he claims that you will get these types of results. How the body uses food, that's a biggie. Cleanse your system. Don't forget to exercise. How many of us are in sedentary lifestyles lately? And so Dr. Stephan actually talks about different ways to change that. Welcome to Acid America. That's one of his other topics. What we eat for breakfast. Oh gosh, some of those things I see right now. What we have for a snack. What we eat for lunch. Oh my gosh, cheeseburger and fries. Yikes. And then we have a snack again in the afternoon. We might have a little cocktail in the afternoon later with friends. Then we have holy moly, whatever you can imagine for dinner that you maybe think is healthy. And he puts us in a state where we can actually understand why these might not be the best ideas. So anyway, I wanted to share this because Dr. Stephan really does, it's an extensive book. It's an extensive read, as you can see. And that's why I wanted to let you know on Best Book Reviews why I go through things like this so that I can help other people. There's more than 40 recipes in here. Maintaining a good balance. I mean, aren't we all looking for that? But Dr. Stephan has extensive experience in many of these topics. And I just thought it might be a great alternative, if you will, to finding different ways to alkalize your body. And it's a pretty big statement. Like I say, the alkaline cure. It's not the maybe alkaline cure. Dr. Stephan calls it the alkaline cure. So as I said, when I was in that networking event, I wanted to find out what the other folks in the room were using as far as their journey. One of the things that Dr. Stephan also recommends, people have pH strips all the time. He actually teaches, shows, demonstrates how to make, like what type of topics to use when you're doing the pH strips and the system and what you need to know with this information. So once you get the information from the pH strip, what do you do with it? And Dr. Stephan actually explains that. And a lot of books don't do that. They say, go ahead and lick the saliva strip and do that kind of thing, but they don't tell you what to do with the information afterwards. Dr. Stephan actually does. So signs that your body is too acidic, it's got a list, and what to do with the acid alkaline rule. So I again wanted to share this because when I get a book recommended to me, I don't take it lightly. I figure it's a good topic for best book reviews, and I wanted to share it with you as well. If you're on a wellness journey, if some type of acid alkaline imbalance is in your life right now, this might be a good answer. We don't cure, treat, diagnose anything. Obviously, I'm just reading the book and I wanted to share it with you. So establish your, and this is actually on the back of the book, establish your current acid alkaline balance using the pH strips and start to drop pounds in just days, have glowing skin, increased energy. And again, don't we all want that? So I wanted to share that again, The Alkaline Cure by Dr. Stephan Domenig. And I am sure that you will be able to secure a copy because I did. There's all types of websites and locations where we can find books that might be out of print at this point, but we can still add them to our incredible wellness journey lifestyle and certainly our libraries. So I wanted to share that with you today on Best Book Reviews by Kathy Weaver. Thank you so much, honestly, for watching, for keeping track of my playlist, for sharing it with your friends. And I look forward to the next book that somebody sends me or recommends. Bye for now.